Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Independence Day. Number 1 line. Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate Pakistan's Independence Day on 14th August. Number 2. This day reminds us of the sacrifices made for our freedom. Number 3. Pakistan became an independent country in 1947. Number 4. We are proud to be citizens of Pakistan. Number 5. Our national flag is a symbol of peace, unity, and hope. Number 6. We should respect our country and obey its laws. Number 7. We must study hard and work honestly for Pakistan's progress. Number 8. We should promote love, peace, and brotherhood. Number 9. Let us always protect the honor and dignity of our nation. Number 10. Happy Independence Day. May Pakistan always stay strong and prosperous. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.